Hello everyone, my name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to remove broken links in WordPress website. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, we are going to get the help from plugins. On the left side of the menu, find plugins, click on add new and it will take you right over here, and here you are going to search for broken links checker, as you can see at the top right corner. Once you find that, make sure to install with this one, WPMU developer. So make sure to go with this one, click on install now, and after that click on activate. Once you click on activate, you might end up in your plugins installed plugins menu, and on the left side find that over here you will find link checker. Under there you will find local, just click on this one, and once you are over here you will see that I don't have any broken links over here, and you can search that by clicking at the top right corner here, search, and just click on search links. It will go ahead and search links in your website, and if there is some broken links you will find that over here. If I click on brokens, you can see that I have none over here, so that's why it's not showing up anything. But right now I have 3 over here which are working fine, and this is how you can find and remove broken links in WordPress website. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.